Right, this is Nobo 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Bafana Bafana North, Namibia North. My brother, how do you feel about the game today?
Nobo. My name is Douglas Whitemore from, I'm just some meters away from here. I stay Zone 6, Middle and Zone 6.
Number one.
According to the game, I think we played very well. But the only problem it was because of goals. We didn't have some goals there. And from what I've seen, it's like the combinations. The combinations was not. It's like the players who were playing today. Some of them I didn't even know them from the first whistle. But if he can stick only on one, formation. The coach has been here for a while now, but I don't understand why he's still struggling about the combinations. Yes. So for me, I think we should have won that game. But at the end of the day, the draw was not a true reflection of the game because the guys were playing very well. But I really don't understand why the coach is still testing by now. He should be knowing his starting 11 from now. January is not far away from here. So where we supposed to be having our starting 11. So I'm not really sure what is exactly happening to the coach. Yes.
But don't you think because of a lot of players that he selected were injured and he had to reselect others? Don't you think that killed him?
We didn't hear a lot of injuries about concerning this match. The only player I think I know about his injury is Tambazwane.
Yeah, but there's Mukwena, there's Mudau. Remember Modi was not part of the squad, and Bujan was not part of the squad, and all others. But then because of those injuries, they changed his plan. Don't you think it's a factor?
For me, I don't think it is a very big change on such players because automatically he knows his players. Some of these players, they just came after, we do have a lot of players in which we can rely on, even before those other players were called on. But I think this thing of testing, guys, in South Africa has to get to an end. We have to know our starting 11 in each every game. And even if there is some injuries, there are some players who are there to cover all those positions. So for me, I don't see anything wrong. It's only, maybe something maybe like game plan. Maybe his game plan maybe killed us because some areas, it's like, for example, when he introduced Grand Kekana. I don't know why he introduced that guy because in fact we were supposed to go forward for a goal, but you are still getting
defender
instead of attacking player. I don't understand those tactics for me because that team was not even threatening to score. So instead of defending, they always say that the best way to attack is to defend is to attack. But instead of attacking, he still putting a defender instead of putting an attacking player. So I think that is where he lost the game. And we are not coming here to the stadium to watch draws and all those things. We're coming here at home, in fact, Orlando Stadium, Soweto, in fact, where everyone is expecting a win. You see these kids, they are coming here to see a win, These ladies are coming here to see a win. They don't know what is a draw. They don't even know what is the purpose of this game. But they're here to see some goals. Understand?
Thank you very much,
Nobo.
Let's hope on
I got a lot to say, but guys, the game was fine. But unfortunately, we didn't win the game.
Okay.